LUNC price, record massive jump, and what's next for Terra Classic? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. So let's start with that. The LUNC jumps 15% today. The Terra Classic price traded in a consolidated range between 0.30's $106 and 0.30's $142 for a brief period, following which the token gained momentum and recorded a jump of approximately 41.6% in valuation. After facing rejection at 0.30's $199, the LUNC token displayed a neutral trend for the next 3 days. As the market volatility grew, the Terra token recorded a jump of approximately 40%, following which it faced rejection at 0.30's $255. After this, the token recorded a correction of over 38%, erasing all its gains from the price pump. Since then, the price has been displaying mixed sentiment. The technical indicator, MACD, displays significant volatility as the histogram constantly witnesses fluctuations. Moreover, the averages show a bullish convergence, suggesting a positive price action for the coin in the upcoming weeks. If the bulls continue to gain momentum, the Terra LUNC price will prepare to test its upper resistance level of 0.30's $255 by the weekend. Conversely, a trend reversal may pull the price toward its lower level of 0.30's $161 in the coming time. Let's also talk about that the Terra Classic rockets 68% in a week. And is this a call to buy or sell? The attention Bitcoin has been getting since the beginning of Q4 last year is now trickling down to altcoins, starting with the biggest, Ethereum, which hit another milestone above $3,800 on Tuesday. Also, gaining strength is LUNC price with its impressive 15% increase in 24 hours on top of a staggering 60% surge in the last week. The trading volume backing the uptrend has in the last 24 hours surged by almost 200% to $900 million, underpinning growing interest among investors. The Terra Classic ecosystem is beginning to get a lot of attention following months of recreating its image in the wake of Terra's classic implosion in 2022. Many proposals have been deliberated upon, with some passed to ensure that the network is working efficiently to keep up with the ever-changing blockchain landscape. The Luna Classic token benefits from a robust token burn mechanism, primarily supported by Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of traded volume. This strategic approach has significantly contributed to boosting the price of LUNC. However, it's important to note that achieving a leaner supply remains a journey ahead. Currently, Terra Classic boasts a total token supply of 6.8 trillion, while the circulating supply hovers around 5.8 trillion. Investors seem content to look forward to further increases in the value of LUNC as efforts to boost the burn mechanism gain momentum. Now, Terra Classic hovers above 0.30's $2 a resistance level on several occasions, but now an immediate support. The MACD indicators reinforce the bullish grip, rising above the neutral area. There are no signs of an immediate correction. However, it might help to psychologically prepare for a sideways price before the next leg up. Often, investors use these periods to reaccumulate more tokens, anticipating another climb. A recent bullish moving average crossover is in sync with LUNC's enthusiastic outlook, which may explain the conservative forecast of 0.30's $3 this week and 0.30's $5 in the next one. Sellers are expected to capitalize on the congestion at 0.30's $25. LUNC price lost momentum upon reaching this level earlier on Tuesday, forming a long candle wick. Beyond this area, Terra Classic will quickly climb to 0.30's $3. Should bulls fail to clear the 0.30's $25 hurdle, Terra Classic may settle, oscillating between the resistance and the support. It is also essential to consider that dips in the crypto market have recently proved to be beneficial to investors who dollar cost average to maximize gains in the long term, in the process triggering another mover higher. Now let's talk about that the machine learning algorithm sets Terra Classic price for March 31st. While much of 2024, barring a brief but significant downturn in January, has been marked by a strong rally in the crypto market, late February and early March have so far seen the most dramatic yearly increases in the price of numerous cryptocurrencies. In the context of the current rally, meme coins have taken the lead in terms of performance, though most investors remain focused on Bitcoin as the world's premier cryptocurrency surged more than $15,000 in about a week and is, at press time, reaching for a new all-time high. The bull run has also thoroughly affected Terra Classic, which has seen a massive surge in the final days of February and the first days of March, and has, by the time of publication, risen to approximately $0.3025, the highest it has been in well over a year, if an exceptionally brief spike December is not taken into account. Given the ongoing crypto market rally and LUNC's latest short-lived surge, Finbull decided to leverage the AI-driven predictive machine learning algorithms of price predictions, a platform specialized in forecasting asset prices to see whether Terra Classic will maintain its bull run or quickly retrace as in December. The predictive platform appears conservatively bullish when it comes to LUNC, as it foresees a continued uptrend. The projection, which would see Terra Classic climb to $0.30's $241, 9.79% from the press time price, nonetheless signifies a significant break from the current sharp movements of the token. While Price Prediction's projected chart for LUNC appears odd given how the token has historically traded, the overall bullish forecast appears corroborated by the technical analysis provided on March 5th by TradingView. Terra Classic's performance in the last 24 hours, 7 days, and 1 month all lead to the platform rating the token as an overall strong buy, with moving averages assigning the same ranking and oscillators being slightly less bullish with a buy. Though LUNC's future performance remains uncertain, it is undeniable that the token has seen an impressive surge in recent trading. In fact, the bulk of Terra Classic's 30-day 106.54% rise can be accounted for with its 71.77% surge in the last 7 days. The most recent trend also showcases that the bullish momentum is sustained. LUNC is up as much as 26.94% in the latest 24 hours of trading and is, at the time of publication, priced at $0.30's $227. And lastly, let's talk about, will LUNC price reach $1 soon? It looks like Kwon, the person who started Terraform Labs, might not have to go to the United States after all. A court in Montenegro changed its mind and said he doesn't have to be sent there. They're sending the case back to another court to think about it some more and make a new decision. Kwon didn't want to go to the US, where they were accusing him of doing some bad things related to the Terra ecosystem falling apart. He appealed against being sent there. Terra had a big problem back in 2022, and a lot of people lost a ton of money. Kwon ran away to Montenegro after that happened, but they caught him and put him in jail for having fake documents. Right now, he's in prison for 4 months, while Montenegro figures out what to do about the extradition requests from the US and South Korea. The governments of the US and South Korea both want him to come back to face charges for what happened with Terra. The court said they need to look at everything again because they are not sure about some important details regarding the extradition requests from both countries. Today, the price of Terra Classic is $0.30's $213. And it's been a busy day with a trading volume of $900 million. The market cap for Terra Classic is $1.44 billion, and it currently holds 0.06% of the overall market. Over the past 24 hours, the price of LUNC has gone up by a whopping 37.59%. The highest price ever reached by Terra Classic was on April 5th, 2022, hitting an all-time high of $119. On the flip side, the lowest price for Terra Classic was recorded on May 13th, 2022, dropping to an all-time low of $0.40's $165. Since reaching its all-time high, the lowest price for Terra Classic has been $0.40's $165, while the highest price since the last cycle low was $0.30's $590. Right now, the sentiment regarding the future price of Terra Classic is neutral, but the Fear and Greed Index is showing a high level of greed at 90. Right now, LUNC is trading at $0.30's $213. If it wants to hit $1, it's got quite a climb ahead. It needs to bridge a gap of $0.999787. In simpler terms, the price of LUNC would have to skyrocket by about 4,032 times its current value. So how do you think? Is LUNC navigating the road to $1? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the LUNC token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.